Akwụkwọ na-asọ ụsọ, ọ na-afịa arụ na mmụta. Onye were nkasi obi, ọ ga-amụta akwụkwọ. Ma ọ bụrụ na nne gị na nna gị nwee ego, ma ọ bụrụ na nne gị na nna gị nwee ego. Igbo kwen, Igbo kwen, Igbo kwezono. Ụmụada Igbo, ụmụada Igbo, nnọọ, welcome, nnọọ, welcome. Welcome to yet another video. In today's video, we're going to be learning 30 Igbo words for beginners. 30 Igbo words for beginners. Don't click out. We're going to learn so much. After this video, we'll be speaking Igbo fluently. Let's begin. Close, mechie, when you close something. Close, mechie. Close, mechie. Open, open, mepe. Open, mepe. Walk, ije. Walk, ije. To walk, ije. Walk, ije. Walk, ije. Skinny, gilly gilly. When you're slim, you're skinny, you're not fat. Skinny, gilly gilly. When I was growing, we call it atinga no blood. Atinga no blood. Gilly gilly, skinny. Gilly gilly, skinny. Gilly gilly. Small, ntakiri. Some people say obele. I grew up saying obele because I'm Anambra. Small, ntakiri. Small, ntakiri. Small, ntakiri. Small, ntakiri. Short, mkpumkpu. Short, mkpumkpu. When you're short, you're not tall. You know they say the short ones, we know they hear. We know they hear. Short, mkpumkpu. Short, mkpumkpu. Short, mkpumkpu. Tall, ogonogo. Tall, ogonogo. I grew up saying ogologo because I'm Anambra, but they all mean the same thing. Tall, ogonogo. Tall, ogonogo. Tall, ogologo. Tall, ogologo. Woman, nwanyị. Woman, nwanyị. Woman, nwanyị. Man, nwoke. Man, nwoke. Man, nwoke. Come here, bịa ebe a. 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 Gawa, go. Go, gawa, gaba. They all mean the same thing. I think I grew up saying gaba, gaba, ga. You can use any of them. I grew up saying anyone that comes out of my mouth. Go, gaba, jebe, ga. All of them is cool. Wait, chere. Wait, chere. Wait, chere. Wait, chere. Sit down, nododo. Sit down, nododo. Sit down, nododo. Sit down, nododo. Stand up, kwụrụ. Stand up, kwụrụ. Stand up, kwụrụ. Stand up, kwụrụ. Lie down, dinu ana. 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 Shift, umie. Shift, umie. Shift, umie. Shift, umie. Shift, umie. Surname, ahanna. Surname, ahanna. You know, in Igboland, the father's name is the surname. The father's name is the last name. So, because of that, we just say ahanna. The father's name, ahanna. That is surname in Igbo. That is last name in Igbo. So, your last name in Igbo is ahanna. Your father's name, ahanna, because we bear our last name in Igbo tradition. Once you're married, it's just like that. You answer your father's name. So it's ahanna. Surname, ahanna. Surname, aha. Name, aha. Name, aha. Name, aha. Azu, back. Azu, back. Azu, back. Ihu, front. Ihu, front. Ihu, front. Etiti, middle. Etiti, middle. Etiti, middle. etiti, middle, akụkụ, side, akụkụ, side, akụkụ, side, right hand, aka nri, right hand, aka nri, right hand, aka nri, left hand, aka ekpe, left hand, aka ekpe, left hand, aka ekpe, right hand, aka nri, left hand, aka ekpe. Elu, up, elu, up, elu, up, ala, down, ala, down, ala, down, come down, gbatu ala, come down, gbatu ala, come down, gbatu ala, come down, gbatu ala, go up, gbaga elu, 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 come to my side, bịam n'akụ, come to my side, bịam n'akụ, come to my side, bịam n'akụ, come to my side, bịam n'akụ. Nọrọ n'etiti, stay in the middle. Nọrọ n'etiti, stay in the middle. Keep it in the center, dosia n'etiti. 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 Yes, it's very easy. Watch my mouth and synchronize. If you have not subscribed to this point, please try to do so. Share this video as well, like it, share it so you can reach a wider range of people, so people will know this channel, because on this channel I post video every blessed day. I try to teach people, I try to post video every blessed day, and your support is what keeps me going. Your subscription is what keeps me going. And do I like what I'm doing? I like what I'm doing because I love to impact on people. Yes, on this channel too, I bring in vlogs from time to time just to make the channel a bit spicy. So let's continue. Big, nnukwu, big, nnukwu, big, nnukwu, big, nnukwu, small, obere, small, obere. I grew up saying obele because I'm an Anambra, but small obere is still okay. Fat, ibu, fat, ibu. When somebody tells you are fat, iburibu, iburibu. Fat, ibu, fat, ibu, fat, ibu. You know the Mr. Ibu that has movie, Mr. Ibu. Fat, ibu, fat, ibu. Under, okpuru, under, okpuru. Keep it under the table. To say an okpuru table. Keep it under the table. To say an okpuru table. Thank you, dalo. Thank you, dalo. Thank you, dalo. Thank you, dalo. Well done, jisike. Well done, jisike. We say it most often in Igbo language. We even say it together. Jisike o, dalo, dalo, jisike. When we are thankful, when we are appreciative, we just join everything together. Thank you, well done. We say it all the time. Dalo, jisike, dalo, jisike. Thank you, well, thank you, dalo. Thank you, dalo. Well done, jisike. Well done, jisike. Sorry, ndo. Sorry, ndo. Sorry, ndo. No, mba. No, mba. I don't agree. No, mba. No, mba. Yes, 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 So guys, you made it! Yes, you made it to the end of this video. I am so very proud of you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. To have a wonderful day. Bye!